Yizumi Germany GmbH is the subsidiary for Yizumi Group, which is handling the innovation topics as well as the 3D printing division handling or management. The machine we are seeing in the background is our smallest machine, the Class 1 machine from the machine series Space A Generation 2. This machine is a large area additive manufacturing machine which can produce different parts out of thermoplastic pellets. We are using this across the whole industry area. It can be furniture, automotive, maritime industry, or also construction. So there is no border right now we see. At the beginning, the challenges we have usually with an electric cabinet, with a control cabinet, is simply the complexity of the system. Here we were on the search for a better solution, for an easier solution. And after getting in contact with Beckhoff for this, we get the super simple solution of the MX system that catches up all our paints and bring them on one base plate and solve this. We just put the different devices on the mounting plate and then we put the system into the machine. And then we are done. We don't need more than 30 pages of E-plans, there are just 2 or 3. So we have just the work of days to hours. And definitely if we make such a leap at the very end, we have not the whole capacities to do everything by our own. So also here we need to talk about with partners about human capacities. But Beckhoff was able to help us here also with the human capacities in order to run the project in time without any kind of issues we have afterwards right now. We are happy to be part of this very first steps to bring the system to the industry.